Innovate, invent, and unleash growth now. Leverage the power of digital to make your organization resilient, responsive, and ready to scale. Set strategy and execute along the 3 dimensions of digital transformation to emerge stronger and lead the future of aerospace and defense. Time to fly beyond.
Welcome to Aviation Week's Flight Paths Forward. I'm Lee Ann Shay, Aviation Week's Chief Editor, MRO, and I'm here with Johannes Bussmann, who is Lufthansa Technik's CEO. Johannes, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me, Lee Ann.
There are lots of unknowns due to the pandemic, from what causes it will have on the aftermarket to when aircraft will return to service. What are your predictions for the rest of this year and 2021? What will the aftermarket look like?
Well, I think it's the precise answer that would be really very helpful for everybody. But I think it's fairly sure to say that for this year there will be dramatic numbers or dramatic downturn already related to the green time, so the time that the aircraft technical parts have gained by standing around and not being used. And that offers, of course, all the airlines a lot of possibilities to make usage of that remaining life. And for that, I'm pretty sure you will see a very low induction on engines, on landing gears, on all these bigger items. And of course, also lower utilization of the aircraft fleet by itself will also have on the component business an impact. But that is the first, from my perspective, to come back when the airlines are starting operating again. And you see that demand, especially in our case, for example, already in China, where the flight movements are coming back, and other parts of Asia as well. And there, these businesses pick up first. Line maintenance, of course, that's given by the nature. And all the rest will be behind that. And now the question is, how long behind? And that's, I think, fairly difficult to answer.
It's the question everybody wants an answer for.
Yes.
You've been a big proponent of increasing the use of digitalization in the aftermarket. Do you think that this period will accelerate its use as companies look for more efficiencies?
Yeah, that's a very clear yes. So we have in our industry-specific parts the same digitalization jump as we have it in all the other parts of the business, while we are having now a Teams call and all that stuff. So we have a lot of table inspections that are going via video. We have more interest in how can this restart for the airlines be a more digital one to make use of predictors and a technical advanced observation of the condition of the aircraft. So that is something where also the airlines have a big interest at the moment. So all the digital process improvements are something that we are working on right now. We have had one conference in April, end of March, beginning of April. And the other one is now coming in the next weeks. And there is a huge interest from a lot of customers that want to see what can we do better and more intensively in the field of digitalization than we did in the past. And that's something that we are really proud of, because we are ready from the starting point there to take it from here and bring it to the next level. And that's what our team around Philip Mende is now really working on intensively. And that's really promising. And that's the only thing where I say that's a positive development in these difficult times.
It's always good to focus on the positives. Hopefully there will be more of those in the near future.
Absolutely. I'm very sure we have more things in development, and we have more test phases with customers on particular solutions that they have for different questions. And that is at the moment, because it's anyhow the only possibility how to do it. The reluctance on doing it as you did it before is higher, and that pushes the development on the digital side.
That sounds good. Thank you so much for joining us, Johannes. I really appreciate your time.